Withdrawing money from your Varo bank account can be done easily through several methods. Here's how. ATM withdrawal. Locate an ATM. Use the Varo app to find a nearby Allpoint Network ATM for fee-free withdrawals. Allpoint ATMs are widely available in locations like CVS, Walgreens, and Target. Use your Varo debit card. Insert your Varo debit card into the ATM, enter your PIN, and select the amount you want to withdraw. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Cashback at retailers. Make a purchase. Use your Varo debit card to make a purchase at a retailer that offers cashback services, such as grocery stores or pharmacies. Request cashback. At the checkout, inform the cashier or select the cashback option on the card reader. Choose the amount of cashback you want and complete the purchase. Transfer to another bank account. Open the Varo app. Log into the Varo app on your smartphone. Initiate transfer. Go to the Move Money section and select Transfer Money. Choose the bank account you want to transfer funds to. Enter transfer details. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the details. Transfers to linked external accounts typically take 1 to 2 business days. Withdraw via cash advance. Use Varo Advance. If eligible, you can use Varo Advance for short-term cash needs. Access the Advance feature in the Varo app and transfer the desired amount to your Varo account.